everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Bonza Airline application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Bonza Airline is an Australian low-cost airline. To download the Bonza Airlines application on your mobile device is easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you're connected, open up your App Store. In the search box, type in Fly Bonza and search. Once you find this application, tap the Get button and start off with the downloading process. Once the download is completed, tap Open, and that is how you can easily get your Bonza Airlines application right on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.